How to add a missing place in your Google Maps. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today we're diving into a quick guide on how to add a missing place in your Google Maps. So let's get started. So open up your Google Maps, and have you ever noticed a place that's not on Google Maps? Then you can add it yourself. You can contribute by tapping on the plus icon on the bottom of the screen. So now you will see add place option. Just go ahead and tap on it, and then this is where the magic happens. So you'll need to fill in some details like the place name and then the category required, like is the place related to food and drink, shopping, services, and so on. You can just tap on it, and then you can choose what kind of restaurant it is. And then I'll put in the name. Now you'll need to put in the address. So you can tap on edit map location, and then you can choose the location. Just put in the red dot where the location is, hit done, and then you can add more details if you want to, like you can put in located within, the hours when it opens and closes, the contact number, and even the website. And you can even put photos of the location, and then you can hit submit at the bottom, and then Google Maps will review it and then add the missing place if it is legit. So that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.